Ever wonder why some individuals seem in control of their thinking, their learning, and their performance? In school, these are the efficient studiers, the quick learners, the high performers. In the workplace, these are the people who seem to solve intractable problems and are promoted faster and further than others. If you've thought about these things, then you should explore metacognition. I was first introduced to metacognition in the early 2000s. I was the Director of Student Success at Leonard University, a private liberal arts institution just outside of Charlotte, North Carolina. I needed a tutor, but didn't have anyone for this particular course. A professor recommended a student named Sam. Sam had never taken the course before, but she had taken other courses with this professor, and he was confident she would be an effective tutor. I was leery about the idea of a student tutoring for a course she had not taken. I asked Sam for a face-to-face meeting. I will never forget Sam's contemplative response to my question of why she thought she could tutor a course she had not taken. She said, "If I get the student's notes, the book, and the syllabus, I can figure out what the student needs to know." Sam was indeed an impressive tutor. Her ability to help a student navigate a course that she had not taken opened my eyes to a new way of thinking, which eventually led me to metacognition. Since that time, I've experienced metacognition nearly instantly transform students, educators, and institutions into productive learning machines. I'd like to share my understanding of metacognition and shed some light on why researchers call metacognition the most powerful predictor of academic success. Metacognition is a non-observable variable that occurs in our minds, so it can be a little confusing and difficult to grasp. It's kind of like gravity. We see the effects of gravity so profoundly that we believe we can actually see it, but we can't. Well, the LearnWell project's mission is to make learning more visible, manageable, and effective. So we'll use animation to bring metacognition to life. My name is Leonard Geddes, founder of the LearnWell projects. Actually, he's Leonard Geddes. I'm filling in for him because I have animated powers that he does not have, and I will be using my powers throughout this video. Welcome to the Metacognition Mosaic. This is a 7-part video series. This video serves as an introduction to metacognition, me, Leonard Geddes, your host, and to the Metacognition Mosaic. The second video defines metacognition in its original and more common understanding, thinking about thinking. In this video, we'll look at the interconnected interactions between cognition and metacognition and be introduced to the 4 pillars of metacognition. Each of these components play integral roles in academic work. Then in video 3, we'll explore metacognitive knowledge and its impact on the affective or emotional parts of academic work and how it facilitates student success. Video 4 illustrates the role that metacognition plays on motivation by linking metacognitive knowledge with metacognitive experiences and introduces metacognitive skill. Video 5 expands metacognition to its broader and more powerful definition, managing one's learning. In this video, you will learn a new model for transforming students into prolific, high-performing learners. Metacognitive skills cannot be directly assessed. So in the 6th video in our series, I'll introduce other learning and success constructs that are either related to or effects of metacognition. These constructs are more easily observable and measurable. Finally, in the 7th and final video, we will celebrate metacognition. I will provide a video montage of students and educators sharing how metacognition has transformed students into productive learners, converted self-described dumb jocks into A students, increased the value of academic assistance programs, invigorated faculty, and elevated institutions by enabling them to solve entrenched academic challenges.